Yes, I've won it. We set out with £1,000 budget to look on Copart to try and find a car that we can buy to make a profit. After finding the right car for us, Fiat 500, which we usually like, we've chose this car because if we can't make money out of this car, we're not going to make money out of any cars. So we bought this little Fiat 500 Pop 2012 for 400 quid off Copart.
We did no such thing.
Okay, I bought it, but I'm just going to see what it's like. Can you buy a car for under £500 that...
It wasn't under 500.
Okay, with fees it was 660 quid plus transport, which is probably about 80 quid. So let's say 750 quid, top bat. See what it's like when it turns up. Is it going to be any good? We're not going to resell this because it is a Cat N.
We're not going to resell it. So what we're going to do with it?
We're not going to resale it.
Oh.
Yeah?
I said resell it.
Resale it. Potentially, we might put it on Facebook if it's any good. If not, we're going to strip it down for bits. And obviously just keep the bits in the shed so we can use them at a later date. It's only done 80,000 miles, so the engine's going to be a good one still. Fingers crossed. This one is stolen recovered. So
Is that why you can't see the registration on it?
Well, the reason the Copart block, if you see them with the blocked rego on it, usually means it's an insurance.
No, that's what I'm saying.
If you see the registration on Copart, sometimes that is a direct, someone's put that in, which you don't really want because they could have done literally anything. They could have took the engine out and put it in, and Copart don't have to tell you that because you're buying a salvage car.
Yeah. So
fingers crossed, it's all there, or most of it's there, and we'll see what you can get for under £750 from Copart.
will it be any good?
Who knows?
What do you think? Find out
In a minute. Fast forward 2 days and Chansey arrives with our stolen recovered Fiat 500. Oh, I see. Do you like this one, do you?
Well, until I started looking around for the key and then realised I don't think there's going to be a key with this one.
Does it drive?
I ain't got a key.
It's been barrelled, hasn't it? And this car is shown as Category N, stolen recovered, ignition barrel damage and side damage. The photos aren't very clear, so we are taking a stab in the dark. We bid on this car £400 and won. So plus fees, plus transport is £740. When the car arrives, we need to see whether this is a big mistake or a real money earner. Yeah, it's been barrelled up.
Yeah, after I was looking around for a key for everywhere.
So put the window through, you can put a screwdriver in there, but how have they done it? They've hotboxed it, haven't they?
No, isn't that when you smoke in a car?
You're smoking a car?
That's what hotbox is.
Yeah, or hot rocked it on the seat. So now there's some nice little treats in there.
Like chocolate reindeer.
I can see, I thought that was a phone there. What's that in there?
Oh, that's quite cute, look.
Quiz clothing.
No, reindeer.
I've got one of them at home.
Should give that to Sarah as a present.
I'm interested to see what that is under there. Quiz clothing. Come. Pair of shoes.
Yeah. You have a nice sticker, mate.
Oh, thank you.
Nice.
God knows what that is. What is it? A kangaroo? A llama?
Sure.
Oh, it's an alpaca. It says it on the bloody bag.
Oh, yeah.
Alpaca.
Cute.
Yeah, so this will be interesting then. See what's going on with this. They've obviously put the window through. Have they plugged something into the OBD? Doesn't look like it. They've gone underneath there for some reason where the airbag is.
Oh, right there.
What?
We do have a key.
Oh, we do.
Oh.
And we've got
Works.
battery. Try and turn it. Don't break the key though, just in case.
No, I need something bigger.
Yeah. Now I'm more interested in these shoes here, look, because what I'll do is I'll tell Sarah I bought her some.
What size is she?
Only small, so we're not far away.
Oh, she got these.
Would she?
All these holidays, she keep taking on.
Yeah. Oh, what I'll do is I'll tell her I'll just put them back in. I'll say that we've just had a delivery. Right. Close your eyes, sir. Close your eyes. I've got you a present, right? Don't say I don't get you nothing.
Is it silly?
Right? It's not silly at all. I've just had a delivery. Oh.
Can I open it?
Ta-da!
What's this? Hello.
You can open it.
You can take them back. They're horrible.
No, he's just bought them for you.
You can wear them on
Amazon
weekend.
special.
Just nipped over the shop.
They don't look brand new.
They're brand new. Look,
It's a size 5 now, Greggy's.
brand new.
Greg can use them for his weekend job.
My Sunday outfit.
Yeah.
Right, so the paperwork we got for this is quite immense, to be honest, and the service book's in there. Where did the car come from? Where do you go? Come from Warsaw. I won't show you the details, but it come from Warsaw. And there's like 2 or 3 keys with it.
Got no window.
The window's been smashed. Obviously. It's been broke into. Could have been worse. They could have made a big hole in the door.
Yeah.
We've still got the keys and all that, and the doors are okay. We've got a glass. We've got a window glass. It's like
Okay.
half-hour job. There is a little dent down here in the quarter, lower quarter, but I'm sure we could get that out somehow. Aye? An X? Well, it's just a bigger version of a 500.
The 500 is meant to be classic, 2-door.
Well, times are changing, aren't they? That's the next step up. They're still doing these.
That's like an American obese version.
Yeah. Right, so, because it's been hotboxed, let's see if it will start.
Did you just say hot box again?
Not hotboxed, black boxed.
Black box. God. You're trying to encourage stoners, you are.
It's turning.
Oh, open the box.
Right, so if you hold that up, yeah, maybe there. The ring's still in there, so let's see.
Boys, I'll show you.
You know what that is? He's from the south side of Birmingham.
From the Bronx.
Yeah.
From the Bronx.
It's a regular occurrence, right?
Yeah. Okay, that's all it took. Was for me to tell Martin how to do it. And
Well, you should know this from how old you are, from back in the day.
oh,
You
here
do
we
this all the time.
go. Here we go. Yeah, it runs. It actually sounds nice. How many miles has she got?
80,000.
80,000 miles, and it sounds sweet.
I was sticking it in the wrong hole.
Yeah, regular occurrence again.
Every hole's a goal.
Stick to the model cars. There you go, she runs perfect. So what we've got to decide now is it worth repairing or not? It wants a driver's side window. It's checking the rear beam, Martin is. This is the decider whether we're going to make it live again.
Looks alright.
Oh my god, looks like we've got a project on. We've got ignition barrels and shit, haven't we?
Fiat 500.
Can we code our barrel to this car? Oh no, we keep the ring.
Yeah, we sort of the barrel in.
Just put the barrel in, keep the ring. Yeah,
Yeah, but no, but the barrel's going to have a new key, isn't it?
it will have another key,
So you
won't
need
it?
to take the internals off that key.
Yeah, but
We can swap the blade.
well, we just have to swap. It's only 2 door locks. It's only 2. It's 1 door lock.
One door lock.
1 door lock and a barrel.
We've got ECU kits anyway, huh?
Yeah, we can swap the barrel over on that, no problem. We've got the barrel to go into there. That's pretty much it, isn't it, really? Wants a good tidy up window. Get a dent out of there.
You've done 80,000, so it sounds better than the other one before it.
Sounds mint, that does.
80,000 for 80,000. 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 80,000 for 80,000
Wants a service. Hey presto. Not a bad little car really. Need to do some maths. Right, so we took the old ignition barrel out. We're going to swap all that over. Keep the ring, because obviously the ring is coded to the key fob. Taking the door panel off. We had another door in the shed, which we took the window out of. So we're going to take this plastic off here, take the door panel off there. Then here's the window that's going into there. Then we're going to swap the door lock over. And fingers crossed, hey presto. Now we wouldn't be able to do this as cheap as this if we hadn't already got the bits, but obviously we took these off other cars, so it barely owes us anything. So far all this car is costing us is labour, so fingers crossed that it's still going to be a decent car. We have found out when Martin was put it on the ramp that he decided to keep driving after he put his foot on the brake, because there was an issue with the brakes. It's lost some fluid somewhere, so we need to look at that. Maybe when it was stolen it drove over something, I'm not too sure, but we're going to get it on the ramp and have a look through that. This isn't a car that we're going to pitch, obviously. We're just doing this for research purposes and YouTube, so we don't really, well, we don't sell stolen, recovered or category registered cars. This is category N. This will be sold on Facebook or something similar to that, but this is just for research purposes only. So just remember that when you're buying a car from us, it won't be on the register. Right, let's get on with this. Windows in, door cards back on, ignition barrels in, everything working. Key in, ignition on. Oh no, away she goes. Right, so Martin's gone home now, so this gives me a couple of hours to get this all tidied out, looking nice, looking smart, before we get it on the ramp to check out all the brakes. Now, inside's pretty filthy, it's got the glass all over the place, it's got a few stains on the seats. As you can see, it's not the best. It's not, probably not the worst I've seen, considering it being stolen, recovered, but it does need a lot of tidying. There's a lot of grime around the boot. The engine bay needs a good clean. It's got the original battery on by the looks of it, and that's still going well. It's had a cam belt, it's had a service, it's had all the other little bits and bobs that it needs. There is just one other little fault that we need to address, which is a slight dent down there. It's only very slight, so we might be able to sort that out. So without further ado, let's get it valeted. And just like that, it's all valeted, nice and clean, vacuumed, washed, polished. Look at that. Hey, you wouldn't know the difference. What a beautiful car, considering this was a Cat N recorded, stolen, recovered, and it did say with side damage, hence the side damage is a small little dent that you can hardly see down here, and it was also advertised as a non-runner. So I took the chance on it to say that it wasn't running because it had been stolen. Martin got it started straight away. Got it in, engine's running, sweet. It comes with service history, it's had the cam belt done and everything else. I am over the moon with this. Absolutely over the moon. So what we're going to do now is get it on the ramp, get it up, get it inspected, make sure the brakes are working all nicely, check everything over. We're not going to retail it like I say. We are going to just trade this out on Facebook or something similar. but let's get underneath it and see how good it really is. Right, so looking underneath it, it looks pretty nice, to be fair. This is absolutely mint, almost mint. All these bottom arms have been replaced. It's had new tracker ends at some recent point. Exhaust in good condition, flex is okay. Rear beams in good condition. Exhaust, look at that, it's had a new exhaust on there. Tyres are great. I think we've done really well out of this. You know what, we've done really well. I'm quite impressed. There's that dent you can see from the lower end. It's barely nothing, so I don't think someone will moan about that, to be honest, especially for the price that this is going to be offered at. This will be under £2,000 on a 12 plate with 80,000 miles on, with service history. I know it's on a Cat N, but it hasn't been structurally damaged. All that was damaged was the window and the ignition barrel. So I think someone is going to get a really nice car out of this. So there you go, it just shows it is actually possible to buy from Copart and make a profit. Total of this build with labour and a few extra bits is £960, and the vehicle is valued at £2,250 on a Cat N. So if you like this video, don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.